Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a signature in Microsoft Outlook. Right now I'm using a MacBook Pro. You could do this in Windows, it's the same concept, so let's get into the video. First thing you want to do is come over and open up Microsoft Outlook, and I want you to click on New Email. We're going to click on New Email, and once you have your email up, you'll see right here, Signature. We're going to click on Signature, and we're going to edit signatures. And here, the default is going to be standard. I have one here, and if you wanted to create a new one, you just click on the plus, add a new signature, and you can see I have Untitled 2. And now I'm going to edit Untitled 1. I'm going to click on Edit, and you can see, let's just move this over, and let's just call this Plumbing Business. Then you can create a standard signature, for example, your name, your first name, last name, title, CEO, email address, phone number, and website, and any other information that you have here. Now, once you're done with this, you could click on the save icon, and there you can see now you got your first name, last name, CEO, email address, phone number, and website. And now that it's saved, you could close this. Let's close this, close our signature window. And now when we're crafting an email, once we put the subject line, and we're finished our email, and at the bottom, let's say you wanted to add that signature right here. You just come over here to signatures and you put in Plumbing Business, and there you go. And if you wanted to get creative with your signatures, you could always come over to plumbing, click on edit, and you could add pictures, a link in it, some tables. You could switch the background, change the bold, italic, font, etc. So you could come over here and I could say I want this bolded and I want it a little bigger than that with a different color. You could do that and click on save. And you can see it real time right here. So anyways, that's it for the video. I hope you liked it. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.